Evelyn Maitland Lynn Wellings, 6 April 1909 – 10 September 1992, was an Egyptian-born English cricketer and journalist who played for Oxford University and Surrey.Usually writing as E.M. Wellings. He became a trenchant cricket correspondent later in his career, writing for the Daily Mirror and the London Evening News, the latter between 1938 and 1973. Ian Wooldridge once said that Wellings dipped his pen in vitriol, with Wellings attacking one-day cricket, overseas players, the isolation of South Africa and later anything to do with the Test and County Cricket Board. Books. No Ashes for England 1951. Meet the Australians 1953. The Ashes retained 1955. The Ashes thrown away. The MCC Tour of Australia 1958-59 1959. Dexter vs Spino, MCC Tour of Australia 1962-3 1963. Simpsons Australians, the England Tour 1964-1964. A History of County Cricket, Middlesex 1972. Vintage Cricketers 1983. References. External links. Evelyn Wellings at Cricinfo. Evelyn Wellings at Cricket Archive, subscription required.